Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's exclusive love reading starting from February 24th till the March 2nd. Now here we're only going to talk about your love, your relationships, casual situationships or complicated marriages. So if you have any question in your mind, think about it and then watch this reading. Okay, so let's start. You've got the Six of Moons and the Eight of Suns. And you've also got the Pope and the Empress card. Now, I have a few announcements to make, but I'll make it in the end. So try to stay connected till the end so that you know about the membership plans, the readings, and the Instagram channel, everything. Okay. So first of all, Aries, I do see you looking backwards, right? Something in the past is bothering you. Something in the past was you thought was very nice, and you want to go back to that past. So I do see that this could be a relationship, this could be a person that you really, really liked and you guys are in no contact anymore and or have broken up or have separated or divorced. If you're at all divorced and you want to go back, it is still maybe possible. Or if you are not finally divorced, maybe you are still thinking about it, not to get it. I do see that some sort of past connection is there where you're thinking about it and you want a fresh beginning with that person, right? I do see a reconciliation happening for a lot of you. So because you've got the Eight of Suns, which is a card of celebrations, which is also a card of new beginnings. So definitely you will have a fresh start with the very same person. To others of you who are not looking for any reconciliation, you want a new partner or you have nobody to go back to, this is a card of marriage that has come into your picture. So definitely you guys are also getting married in the last week of February or first week of March, or at least you are getting some sort of traditional ceremony like a roka or engagement, or you at least are starting to plan about a marriage. Okay, so definitely either planning is happening or actual function is happening because I do see the card of Pope here. Now you've also got the Empress card. That means whoever your partner is looking at you like an empress, irrespective of what your gender is. Empress is an energy that my standards are very high, and that you will have to, level up if you want to give that proposal to me, right? So you know that you have to level up, you know that you'll have to work hard, you know that you have to raise your standards if you want to impress them. So you are in your empress energy and your partner understands that, so they are also going to raise their standards as well so that they can meet you at your level and then propose you, right? So I do see a proposal coming soon. You are in your empress energy, you're not going to settle down for anything less. So that's very good. Either you are a boy or a girl, because any gender, this is not a gender based reading, but I do see you having very, very high standards and you're not going to lower your standards for anyone. So that is why you're choosing very carefully also. You're looking at the personality, the background, the nature, everything of the person before choosing one for marriage. So it is a beautiful week for you, Aries. Like, things are very much in your control, so obviously that's very, very good. So if you would like to claim the energies of this reading, please comment I claim this energy and manifest this energy so that these energies reach you faster. And if you still have any doubt regarding the reading, if you have specific questions, or if you think you want to know about your career or anything else, exams, please, you can always book a reading with me because I do personal readings also. I also do oracle love readings, which are to channel your partner's current energy, especially if you're in no contact. And I also do blockage removal rituals. So if you think something is stuck and bothering you, not getting away from you're not getting the promotion, you're not clearing the exam, or you're not getting the partner, or not getting married, anything, you can book a ritual also, because February 27th is a very, very good time to book rituals, sorry, and start rituals. Okay. So yes, how you can book it, either you email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you Instagram me as well at the Moksha Tarot. DM me, I'll send you the charges, very budgeted, very minimal charges. My maximum charges is 1000 and my minimum charge is like 170 rupees. So it's not huge on your pocket at all. Go ahead and book it, and that's kept so low because I want maximum people to use these services and to get clarity in their life. So take care of yourself, Aries, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.